Hey there, my name is Akash and today I have this Bose Tone 170 speakers with me. These are the quite popular speakers under 1000 rupees budget. So in this video, we will do the unboxing and quick overview of these speakers including the sound test. So let's begin. So this is the box of a Bose Tone 170 Bluetooth speaker. It is quite small in the size. On the back of a box, some specs are given like 1800 mAh battery which lasts around 6 hours. Bluetooth version 4.2. Lightweight fabric design. aux and SD card support. Integrated controls. Truly wireless functions. Means the speaker can be connected to the another Bluetooth speaker for playing the same song. And IP6 rated. This means water and sweat resistance up to the some extent. Now quickly open up the box. Inside the box you will find the speaker itself, micro USB charging cable, aux cable and some documentations like warranty information and user manual. So let's keep those things aside and focus more on speaker itself. This is the speaker. It is a very small and lightweight speaker. Build quality seems nice. The controls are given at the top. These are the standard controls, nothing special. There is also one small hole for the microphone to get the voice input. At the back side, the rope is given which comes handy while carrying it around or hang to the particular location. Below that, the flap is given. Inside that, we have a charging port and aux input and SD card slot. At the bottom, we have rubberized base to reduce the movement and stay in the one position. Now quickly turn on the speaker and connect to the mobile to check the audio quality and its basic functionalities. Connecting is so simple. Simply turn on the speaker by holding this multifunction button for 3 seconds.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Speaker itself gets notified you once device is turned on. This LED lights indicates that speaker is in a pairing mode. Now turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile and scan for the devices. Tap for the pair.
You're now connected to Bose Tone 170.
That's it. You are ready to go. Okay, now let's try to play some songs to check the audio quality. Okay, so audio quality seems loud and clear. Bass is also good considering it's only 5-watt speaker. I have tried to play a songs on a full volume, but it is getting little distorted on a full volume. Now let's try to play a next song by holding the volume plus button for 2 seconds to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so it does works very well. So that's it for today. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you into the next video.